Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the Snowclad pots and pan set. So this is the 10-piece set. Includes 4 of these lids, 4 pots, and 2 pans. So it has the 8-inch, 10-inch pans, corresponding lids, and then you have the sauce pot, bigger pots, things like that. And so you can use the lids across the pots and the pans. Let's go ahead and take all this stuff out of the packaging. This is PFOA free material, so non-toxic cooking ware. This is the hybrid stainless steel, so you have the stainless steel cooking surface along with the non-stick below the ridges, so you should be able to use metal utensils on this without scratching up your non-stick. These pans and pots are induction stove compatible, so they can be used on any type of stove. They all feel really high quality. You can see the same kind of finishing on the bottom. The sides are a chrome finish. The handles feel sturdy. There's no screws or anything like that. The interior pattern, let me see if you can pick up the detail on here. But you can see this snowflake pattern, and on the sides there's a crisscross pattern with dots in the middle, which raises the stainless steel surface off of the non-stick coating so you don't scratch up the non-stick coating. I do have some competing brand pots and pans of the same hybrid stainless steel, and I do feel like the ridges on this one are plentiful, and they will protect the non-stick surface. So another lid, this lid will fit on this. As you can see, the lid fits on nicely. There is no rubber sealant on there or rubber gasket on there, so it does go metal on metal in case that's of a concern. The lids do have this Snowclad logo on that in case that is something you wanted to know. This is the big pot, the biggest pot. And you can see that induction oven type of ring here, and that's just for the conduction of the cooking. It does seem pretty flat to me as I look at the back. And these are the pans. This is the smallest pan, the 8-inch pan. They do feel fairly lightweight. They don't feel like they're super heavy or anything like that. And then this is the bigger pan, the 10-inch pan. Again, even with this one, the weight feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like it's too heavy. It feels like a decent pan. So we're gonna wash all of these with soapy water. Then we have to season all of these pans. So essentially, to season them, you heat the pan to sort of low to medium heat, put oil on the entire cooking surface, and let it absorb the oil for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you just wipe off the oil, and that's how you season these pans. And after that, they should be ready to use and as good as a non-stick as it could give you. And then you can re-season them every few months as needed. To wash them, all you have to do is just rinse them off with warm soapy water. As far as eggs, you want to cook them at very low heat so that they don't stick. Okay, so I have the pan rinsed off before first use. We're going to put some oil and season the pan. Essentially, you're just going to take a brush or sponge or whatever and just spread it around evenly throughout the cooking surface. And you can obviously put more as needed. And the pan's essentially going to absorb most of this oil. You can kind of see I put in a lot more oil than what appears to be on the surface. So a lot of this oil would get absorbed by the pan, allowing it to retain that non-stick feature of the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and do it all over the edges too. Not that you're going to cook all the way up the edge of the non-stick, but you kind of want to oil it all in case you do have something splash over there, and you can scrape it off very easily. And so we're going to let it heat for 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe it off with a towel or a paper towel, and that's it, and then it's ready for use. With the excess wiped off, we're ready to cook. So we're going to put some more oil on here. I'm going to cook some burgers. And so we're gonna throw a couple of veggie burger patties on there. I'll let them cook and see how they work out. All right, with the lid on, it seems to be cooking fine. You can see the lid holds onto the steam.